Hi everyone, so basically today we're making a
Elephant's toothpaste. Yeah, right. How do you make it?
So basically you start with
Washing up liquid?
yeah.
Yeah.
Then you start with a bit of powder.
Bicarbonate of soda.
Then you start with food dye.
Then you put some food dye in, yeah.
Then you
What does it look like?
it looks like
Show us. What does it look like? There you go. Limp point there. Right, so what do we need to do now?
now you need to put some water.
No, vinegar. Yeah. And where's the vinegar?
Vinegar is here.
Right, so here you go, Murad. You do it. Go in the sink there. Do it a bit at a time, yeah? And some more. Tip loading. Yeah. That's it. Right, so there you go. Actually, that looks quite pretty, doesn't it?
Should I dip some more?
Yeah, some more. That's it. That's it.
Done.
That's alright, isn't it? We were going to use actually hydrogen peroxide and potassium iodide, but the only problem is that we'd run out of hydrogen peroxide, so this is another way that you can do it. It's not as pronounced as the way that you'd normally do it. But what are you doing with your hand?
It's a rainbow.
It is, yeah, that's right. All the different colours. There you go. So that's finished. So, what would you have to say about that?
So I hope you know how to make this.
Alright.
If we showed you.
Alright, Dr. Majid. Catch you later.